What is going on, guys? Today we are meeting up with a bagged R35, and immediately after hearing that it was bagged, my initial thought, like anyone else in the world, is what can you crush with a bagged car, specifically a bagged R35, because that thing is like an entire boat. So we're gonna put it to the test, see how it goes, see how strong the airlift really is. We're gonna be meeting up, and at the same time I'm also gonna be doing a video shoot with Washness Media, and we're gonna be filming a sort of new GTR, old GTR, retro, modern type style cinematic video, and this could be kind of like a BTS for all of that. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy today's GTR vlog, and let's get into this. I really need a new steering wheel, so comment down below if you guys think I should get a new steering wheel, specifically probably Vertex or Nardi. Tell me what you think. But with that, let us get a move on. I have arrived here at the shooting location, and it is safe to say we are out here. I'm the first one that's arrived, but we have the car all detailed, shinied up, wheels shinier than ever, the carbon glistening in the sunlight, and everything is all looking pristine and nice on the car and ready to go. Gosh, would it kill to just have an open area like this at all times. There's the other car. How's it going?
Pretty good, Tim.
Jack.
Nice to meet you, boss.
Nice to finally meet you.
That's her, man.
That's quite the combo right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. How long have you had this thing?
I've been driving for like a week. I just got this thing repaired.
Just a week. Well, when did you originally first get it?
Like 3 months ago.
3 months ago, and it's been
sitting in
heck
the
of
garage.
a
Well, outside, actually, under cover for a while. I just watched it. Like, on this side, the whole thing was wrecked on this side.
All right, so this is a YouTube rebuild right here, and I would have never known.
Yeah.
It looks completely all factory now, besides all the aftermarket stuff you put on it, which look great.
I mean, the front bumper was replaced, hood was repaired actually. Fender replaced, door replaced, quarter panel I replaced, the rear bumper I repaired.
Yeah.
This whole side.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I was always wondering if I should hop on the trend next and do a rebuild or of some sort or whatever, because I mean, in the end, you end up with an amazing final product for a cheap price that you originally paid for. Yeah. But the tough part is that you have to know what you're doing.
Exactly. I've been doing it for a while, so
yeah,
I love this game.
Yeah, and I would have no idea what I'm doing.
I got you, bro. I'll help you out.
There we go.
Hey, dog.
Oh, sweet. You're on Army tricks?
Yeah.
That's the way to go.
Yeah, except for when I bought it, the guy didn't send me the valves for it, or the valve to open the exhaust.
Oh, really?
So it's closed right now.
Oh, so it still is closed?
Yeah, it's closed.
Oh, dang.
Woo! So it still rips, but...
I know. So it can only get better from there, that's
exactly.
the thing. Yeah, we got a nice fat tank.
Yeah, I need to still bolt this down, but...
Most people, like, bolt their tank on top like that, or is that something that you decided to just...
So I actually watched like TJ Hunt videos and stuff, and he's like, yeah, I could have really bolted up there. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try and send it. I found two like bolts that tighten down the speaker up top.
Yeah.
And they had like existing like this much left over, so I could put a nut on them. And then I bought like a spacer nut. You can't really see, it's all tucked away. And then I made custom brackets.
Yeah.
Put it up on there, measured it, and that's so the tank is all up in there.
Oh, sick, sick.
Yeah.
You basically got a redone shot at everything that TJ could have done. Because, I mean, this is pretty dang close.
And this is exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty, same combo, everything. He had different wheels. He had 2-piece wheels.
All right, well, there you go. What the hell?
Yeah, I gotta get these.
Oh my God. Hey. What in the hell was that? I hope we don't get kicked out of here with them thinking that that was us, because that was the last thing you'd expect over there out of these two cars, to be making smoke.
I thought that was Brandon at first. I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, I know. I thought it was Van, but nah. What's popping?
Wait a minute, it was totaled once?
That should be your grand entrance. You should just sit in the back, then just have it slide open and be like, oh.
You should do that. You guys want air fresheners?
Sure. Hey man, these are for you. These are all 35s.
Yeah, I got one right there, look at that.
These are all 35s right here.
Oh,
so,
really?
Yeah.
What about these?
Sure, I'll trade.
Super good.
Oh, sick. All right, so this is fully slammed to the ground right here. We're gonna pop this sucker up, see what we could do. It's pretty close to the ground. It's literally almost touching the ground.
Yeah, let's go max height.
Yeah. Woo! Holy cow! Fit a whole fist down there.
Look at this.
Look at that.
No, not the plus.
Oh yeah, not like that.
We got this one. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh shoot.
Should I try air out on it?
Yeah, you can. All right. Let's try it.
I'm kind of sketched right here. I can do right here. Ready?
Yeah. Oh!
I just split that.
Oh! Oh my God!
Dude, my mom's gonna kill me.
Smashed iPhone prank on mom. Oh my God, that's amazing.
It might still work actually.
Well, if you want to know how heavy an R35 is, that's an answer
About
right
an
there.
iPhone 6 heavy. But yeah.
Strong enough to crush.
Hang on, what if I
So
put
there's
it?
one down. Then we have another.
Yeah, turn on. Oh yeah.
Oh dang. Well, they're somewhat faulty, right? Otherwise, the audience is gonna be like, why are you guys doing perfectly good iPhones? Nah, we're.
Actually, what's it called? The screen is like has lines in there or some shit. When you turn it on, it's weird.
Oh, okay. So it's a little bit faulty. We're
Look, it doesn't
pulling
work. Look at this.
tech racks moves. Oh my
Where do I
God.
stop this?
I don't know, man. It's up to you.
Do it on the exhaust.
Okay.
No?
Oh, that's just moved your tips.
Yeah.
Now that's in
But I'm
place.
at 0 air. So yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try just a little bit and see if it?
Oh shit, that's a
Cut.
Oh no!
Oh, it just sank in. There's a hole.
A little more? No, I gotta air it up.
Dang.
Yeah, it just sank in. Look at that thing survived.
What the heck? All right. Well, that's not strong enough. Ooh.
Survived, no?
Oh, dang.
I can do it under the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
Alright, ready?
Alright, hopefully it doesn't flip.
Oh! What?
Oh!
This one survived a little better, huh?
Crap. This is what happens when you bring the 18-year-old along in the trip.
You ready?
Alright, one last final.
Ah, that's shot.
Holy cow, that's not a phone. Oh my God. Does anyone want this?
Dude, this is heavy. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Look, hey, look at this. Look under the car. If you can focus on this, it actually dented this part.
Oh, really?
Right there, look at that. You see that? Right over here.
It's got a bright.
See that right there? That's the iPhone.
Oh, wait, what?
No, I'm serious.
Yeah, wait, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
What? Oh my God.
Don't try it at home.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna try tennis ball next. I've never seen a tennis ball crush. I can't imagine. Those things are strong. Oh!
That's it, dude. I'm at 0.
That's definitely, it's crushing it though. Dang. It's still good. Tennis ball 1, GTR 0.
Here's this.
Take
this trophy home.
Got Elmer's glue stick. You could put that anywhere.
You do crush, yeah?
Yeah, it should be pretty weak.
That's a frame rail. You ready?
Okay. Oh, it's bending it. Whoa!
That's it.
Oh!
That's funny.
Yeah, it's a empty glue stick. It's freaking funny. This is some good science right here, honestly. And that is what you do when you have a bagged R35. All right, well now we gotta go finish shooting these 2 cars for the video. When do you think it's gonna be ready?
Month?
Month?
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys go subscribe to Mr. Whooshness over there. On this guy's channel, within about a month or so, he'll have the full cinematic reel, and obviously you guys I'll have it shared on my channel or whatever, so you guys could find it. But Yeah, we gotta go get to shooting because we got GTR v GTR cinematic in production right now. We gotta stop doing monkey business of crushing things.
Ultra.